I'm going to give away some of these hood racks. I'm going to quickly show you guys a few methods of wearing this headwear, and then after that I'm going to compare the hood rack and buff, plus a few more from Sims and others. So the first is the most common for us anglers. The second way is really straightforward, just put it over your head. You can wear it under a cap or a helmet. The third way involves starting out with the neck gaiter inside out, and you just put it over your head and then just pull it down, and what you get is sort of like a beanie, and then you have some neck protection at the back. Now, there are two ways to do this. Turn the neck gaiter inside out, twist the top part, pull it down. And the second way, the neck gaiter inside out, ends inside, twist, and then you fold it into half, and then you wear it on your head. The last one is wearing it like a balaclava. Now this one gives you even more protection, maybe like a face mask, and the other advantage is it can be made into like a cap in case we forget to bring our cap or we lose our cap, which has happened to me a couple of times during fishing trips, The single most important thing about choosing a fishing neck gaiter must be comfort. I mean, if we buy one and it's not comfortable for us to wear over long hours, it's not going to work. I mean, we won't wear it for long, so it doesn't serve its purpose. And the good thing about these neck gaiters are, we find one that is comfortable and one that we like. It's going to last us a long time, 5, 10, 15 years or even more. They are made to last, the materials. I would choose wearing neck gaiters anytime over using sunblocks on the face for sun protection. And the other thing is keep bugs away, and then also cold weather. The tricky thing about buying this thing is we often see it, but we can't try it on and we don't know how exactly it will fit. Everyone has a different size head. I have a big head, for example. Some do come out rather tight, and I don't like them. These are just some of the fishing neck gaiters that I have. I'll show you some. So let's start with a very popular buff. They are pretty good. We anglers wear them, cover our face, and then we put it over our cap. They have to be on the loose side. These ones are from Sims. The advantage they have, their shape, and then they have all these holes. Some people, they like this. The only thing about this is you can't just grab hold of one and pull them over your head, because they are of a particular shape, and you've got to align them so that holes are where our nose and mouth is. And also, this tends to be very expensive. But the thing I don't like about this, they don't seem to last long. See some stretch, and this is an even older one. You see all these stretches. This one is basically way too loose. Now, made in China. Well, it's not made in China these days. Now, this one's obviously they can only be worn one way, whereas all these regular neck gaiters, you can wear them many ways. I have one from Loon. I mean, I've used it many times, but the material is less comfortable. The problem with this ones that come printed with this kind of graphic is you have to line them up when you wear them, otherwise they'll look real funny. Then I have all these different ones, and then over the past year I've also tried getting my own neck gaiters made, and I've tried quite a number actually. This is one. This is they call it the performance material. There's a lot of stretch, and it's different from all these microfiber materials. So now I'll show you the ones from Hoorack. Hoorack is an American company. They are in Florida. The interesting thing about Hoorack is, at least to me, is they have the regular size neck gaiters, and then they have the extra large ones. I actually haven't tried these ones on yet. Very bright colors. This is the regular size. Now let's try the extra large Hoorack. Let's try a different design. This is the extra large. Definitely this is larger, looser. There's a lot of stretch, very elastic. Even the regular size one is not tight. Actually both fits me. The extra large, I don't know, maybe just a little bit loose. I think probably the regular size one is perfect fit. The XL is a loose fit. The price for the regular and the XL are the same. All the Hurek neck gaiters are UPF rated. Let's compare the size. So I have the buff on top of the regular. It looks about the same. Now comparing the buff with the extra large Hurek. The extra large Hurek is a lot wider, maybe about an inch wider than the buff. The buff is on top and the extra large Hurek is underneath. I'm actually recording this part again because I forgot to plug in the mic just now. So overall, what is my conclusion with all this? One advantage Hurek has is they come in XL size. Buff probably offer them in different sizes. I've not seen them in the shops though. The advantage Hurek has is they cost less compared to the Buff. So you're paying less for essentially the same thing. The Sim ones, they are nice to wear, but I still prefer just the rectangular shape. They are much more easy and versatile. This one you got to align it, and they don't last. That's the main thing that I don't like, and they cost also a lot more. And then the ones that I've been experimenting, the recent ones turn out alright, but the material is different. Color maybe a little bit more vibrant, smoother, but some are a bit tight for me because I have a really big head. I sold some and didn't get any complaints. So if you have a normal size head, it probably fit you fine. So yeah, definitely Buff and Hurek. That's my word. So please give the video a like and then leave a comment below if you want to get in the running to win some of this Hurek. So how do you get into the running for this neck gaiter giveaways? Yeah, all you have to do is to like this video and then go to the link in the description where you see my neck gaiter designs. Let me know in the comment under this video which design you choose and whether it's the original regular size or the XL size. So you can be anywhere around the world to participate, because like all the merchandise in my shop, we send them worldwide. So all the best. I'll see you guys in the next one.